Oyum, I want to challenge you. Who arrived late at the room will pay for the dinner tonight.
Okay, I'm on it.
Alright.
Let's go. Ajwat, is there have any people in there?
Yes, Oyum. I'll be waiting for 1 hour already. I don't know what he's doing in the toilet.
Seriously? I have a lot of assignment to do right now. I haven't washing my clothes yet. Aduh.
Yes, I also have a lot of assignment, but he didn't came out yet.
Ajwat, are you finished yet?
No, Oyum. I didn't wash my clothes yet. The water is very slow.
Seriously? I have a lot of clothes that I want to washing right now. I'm afraid that I don't have time to wash it, and I have a lot of assignment to do right now. Ajwat, did you know that Unisirat already provide us washing machine and drying machine?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Ajwat, let me show you the washing machine and drying machine that Unisirat provide to us. Let's go. So here's the washing machine and drying machine that Unisirat provide to us, Ajwat. We have 3 washing machines and 2 drying machines.
Wow, very awesome. That will make our job easy, right?
Yes, the estimate time for this washing machine to wash our clothes only below than 2 hours only. Do you see, Ajwat? My clothes is clean, smells good, and well dry after I use Unisirat's washing machine that they provide to us. You see that?
Wow, that's very nice. It's good to have washing machine and drying machine in our university, right?
Yes, it's very good to have a washing machine and drying machine in our university. With this washing machine and drying machine that Unisirat provide to us, it will make our task easier, and we can manage our time to do the assignment more efficiently. But for my recommendation, I hope that Unisirat can add more washing machine and drying machine with more cheaper price.
Yes, I agree with you. I hope that students will use this facility that Unisirat provide for us.